What's up, guys? It's another episode of UpKeep's Release Friday. My name is Henry Prey. I'm the Senior Product Manager here at UpKeep.
And I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder at UpKeep. I'm really excited. We've got an awesome Release Friday.
So today we're going to be talking all about a brand new section inside of UpKeep, which is available today for all our paid user types, and that is preventive maintenance. It was the most asked for feature to be worked on in 2020. What we've done is we've actually extracted the normal flow of our reoccurring work orders and our schedule-based maintenance and turned it into this new section. And what users can do is schedule all kinds of preventive maintenance work orders.
This really lays the foundation for the next generation of preventative maintenance in the entire industry. It's about driving workflows. It's about driving a better schedule. It's about forecasting what you need and when you need it, and really why you need it. I think that this really does bring us one step closer into a very holistic maintenance strategy for you, our customers, for the entire plant. And this is so much work, so much effort that went into it from our engineering team. And I'm really excited for it to be launched to all of you guys, our customers, today.
We're going to be releasing a ton of updates to preventive maintenance over the next weeks, months, and years. We're launching it as a beta product, and you're going to see rolling updates basically weekly for the next 18 months. So we're really excited at what it's going to do not only today, but also tomorrow for our users. Until next time, have a good one.
Have a great rest of your Friday, everyone.